Lesson 21, Science 8, and today we're going to review the relationship between force, mass, and velocity. You need your pencil, today's journal slip, your science journal, and later, the link to the Google form that's posted on today's Schoology. But before that, let's take a moment to review the key concepts we've figured out so far. These ideas are going to be important at the end of the unit when we're given new data about the ACM pod. So we need to have a clear understanding of these ideas. On the screen and on your journal slip, you can see 3 different images and 3 different key concept cards. Pause this screencast and match each card to the correct image. Then, justify your thinking for why you did so. You can either cut out and glue the statements in their correct location or just write the entire statement in the correct box. Do this now. Let's evaluate your thinking. Where did you place this card? Yes, it should go with image number 2. The reason is that you can see that the same strength force is applied to both objects which already happen to be moving. But since this top card is lighter, since it has less mass, it's going to have a greater change in velocity, as you can see from the longer blue velocity marking arrows. These are greater than the change in the markings you see here. Make any corrections to your sorting and your justifications if you need to. What about this next card? You got it. It should go with image number 3. Again, you can see that both cards have the same mass, but a stronger force is being applied to the top card because the force arrow is longer. This causes a greater change in velocity as the top card is now moving faster, as you can see from the blue velocity markings, as compared to this bottom panel, which you see less of a change in velocity. All right, last card. Did you put this with image number 1? In the top panel, the force being applied to the already moving cart is in the same direction as the motion. So, as you can see from the markings, the cart speeds up in that same direction. But in the lower panel, the force applied to the moving cart is in the opposite direction of the motion. And this force is enough to cause the cart to change direction and move the opposite way with the velocity that you see on the screen. To check your understanding of these concepts, use your journal slip from today and complete the Google form. The link from the Google form is posted on today's Schoology. Until tomorrow, I need you to keep thinking, keep learning, and get ready because we're going to take a deep dive into exploring collisions.